Rosemary is one of the most universal aromatic herbs to grow in your garden. In this video I show you how to transplant water-rooted rosemary cuttings in soil. The rosemary stem cuttings should grow roots in 2 or 3 weeks depending on the temperature. It can take longer in colder temperatures. Fill a 3-inch pot half with slightly damp potting soil. Place rosemary cutting in the pot with care to avoid damaging the roots. Fill in the spaces around the roots with pre-moistened potting soil. Gently press the medium around the plant to provide good contact between the roots and the soil. Water the soil well until all the soil is moist and water runs out the bottom of the pot. This will help settle the soil around the roots and remove air pockets. Place the newly potted rosemary plant in indirect light or in filtered sunlight until roots become established, and then move to direct light, at least 6 to 8 hours per day. Keep the potting soil moist until you see new growth. Rosemary is an easy-to-grow perennial that enhances everything from eggs to bread to vegetables and meats. This dependable and versatile aromatic herb needs little care or water to thrive. Since it is attractive and tolerates some degree of drought, is also used in landscaping. It is considered easy to grow for beginner gardeners. Growing and propagating your own rosemary plant allows you access to ample supply of this delicious and aromatic herb, opening the gateway to even more exciting dishes.